Well, welcome back to the channel to Fat Anna. We haven't seen her for quite some time. She is of course a vintage Fleischmann steam locomotive, which I did a full restoration of on this channel. You can check out the video, it'll be in the description below. And you can see that she's still running great. But there is a little niggling problem with this locomotive, which when I was doing the restoration I didn't think would be a problem. But now I'm starting to think maybe this could be a little bit better. I'm of course talking about the coupling height, and well, obviously it's one of the vintage Fleischmann couplings that this one has got fitted with, but you can see that it's completely the wrong height for modern rolling stock, and I quite fancied upgrading this to having NEM pockets. So I'm going to give it a go trying to 3D print a kind of adapter so it can fit NEM couplings onto this vintage steam locomotive, and then it'll be able to pull some more modern stock. I know, I can hear you now.
Emotional damage!
But you know, first rule of model railways and all that. Sorry for the interruption, I just want to give a quick shout out to my now 3 channel members. We've got the original 11123-C who's been with me the longest, but we now also have Phoebe von Phobenstein, great name, and Tony Blencow. I think I pronounced that correctly, I hope so. But anyway, thanks for your continued support. If you yourself would like to consider becoming a loco member too, then check out the join button somewhere at the bottom of the screen. Okay, back to Fat Anna. So the first thing I'm doing here is taking the old couplings off. It's easy to do, there's just one screw holding them on. Now we've got the couplings off, I'll use them to get some measurements and then make an adapter in the free online software Tinkercad. From here I export and bring it into Cura to slice it for the printer. I'm just using standard default settings for the print here, and from here it's over to the Ender 3 to actually print them out. My first printout showed that they were a little short in the length, so I made an adjustment and the second print to get these. That bit in the middle is a bit of a support, by the way, so I need to clip that out and offer it up to Anna to see if it's working. So back to my little stage for the next bit. Back in the stage now, and we have the 2 adapters here, and I've also got new screws to go with them as well. So it's just a case of putting it onto Fat Anna now. And there we go, Fat Anna with modern couplings. I think that was quite an easy job to do. I hope you enjoyed watching me do this, and I'll leave you with a bit more emotional damage as I show another favourite on this channel. It's the boob wagon. Again, links in the description below on how I made this. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.